2013 Lexus IS 350. I'm gonna let you guys hear before, and it's a F Sport. I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Really quiet. We hate it. Sound decibels about 91, 94. We don't like it. Too quiet. So we're gonna make it loud. Aren't we gonna make it loud? Yes, sir. 2013 Lexus. So we showed you the before. Now we'll show you guys after. We're disappointed it has two cats in the back, but it's got two cats in the front. One there, one there. Two cats in the back. And then what we did, true dual. All the way back. Into FLOWFX. One there. And one there. If you guys want to purchase these, you will see the link in the description. And then you two resonated black tips. Also, if you want to purchase these, you'll see the link in the description. True dual FLOWMASTER FX. Are you guys ready to hear it? If yes, press yes in the comments. And make sure you smash that like button. You don't, we'll be very disappointed. And we'll stop doing videos. So hit that like button. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Oh, baby. Oh, I like it. Again. Sound decibels. Go ahead. About 101. Perfect. Not too raspy, just clean. Yes, sir. Lexus IS 350 F Sport. Beautiful car. That's what we'll